The world is changing, and construction must evolve with it. Welcome to the Spartan machinery, where technology meets transformation. Our fully automatic brick and block making machines redefine productivity with AI-integrated control systems, German vibration units, and energy-efficient hydraulic pressure technology. Each Spartan machine is built to deliver higher output, lower energy use, perfect finish and strength, zero error automation, decades of reliable performance. Whether you're in India or overseas, Spartan ensures your plant operates with global standards and local support. We are not just a machinery company, we are a movement towards smarter, sustainable construction. The Spartan machinery, the future of construction, is here.